big piles of dirt. We got lots of drainage, giant mud lake.
Excavator.
Yep. Wow, they're maybe getting us a new season park passing lot, season pass parking lot, maybe. And that's a crane of some sort, maybe. Nah, it looks like it's a driller or something like that. Smile for the camera, Dave. They got a water truck. Let's see.
All the traffic.
Yep, all the construction markers way out there. And a giant stone phallic symbol? I don't know.
Do you have season pass, Dave?
No.
You do now. Yeah, portable generators and stuff. They ripped out all the trees by the gate. Part of the fence, too. Hi there, coaster fans. Just here to report on the construction going on at Carowinds. We have a lot of footers now. Several, quite in fact. Let me see if I can zoom in on some of these here for you, so you can get a good look at what type of footers we have here. And a lot of work going on. No track has shown up yet that I've been able to see. Be checking it throughout the day. As you can see, lots and lots of work, lots and lots of footers being poured right next to the hurler. Got DSG construction on site, and we have a big old crane. Alrighty. There's also something else. We have a new teaser today. Go ahead and take a look at that. It's quite an interesting teaser. It has something for you to do. Warning, a ferocious raw power lies beneath this fence, or behind this fence. Breach could be disastrous. If you hear or see anything suspect, please call 704-943-2802. And I have called that phone number. It is a Carowinds phone number, and I'm not going to spoil it for you, what they say, but see if we can get a good zoom here. Take one more look over the fence, and I'll add anything interesting that I see.